Hi guys, this is Jyoti. You can call me Jo. Madhura's with me. You can call her Maddie. And we are back with another reaction today. And this one is from one of Maddie's um, request box. Yeah.
Yes, it came from my request box, and then again it was represent you, like Bangalore represent you kind of a thing. The brother the Vineco has got quite a few responses. So a lot of people say, oh, if you react to this, then you have to react to a few other songs. So a few other videos and sketches by Jordan Indian. That's a name mouthful. So today what we are reacting to is a song by Jordan Indian. It's called Smoke Shisha Play FIFA. It's their first ever music video.
Sounds very Dubai.
It does. So the descriptor goes, when you get bored in the Arab world, you smoke shisha, play FIFA. Mahmood takes Raju on a journey like never before. There is singing, dancing, and a whole lot of shisha and FIFA. And as people who spend time in the Arab world, we know that. There's a lot of shisha that's happening. A lot of FIFA also happens. So
basically, people don't step out for coffee; they step out for shisha in the Arab world. It's just a given. It's a thing, and play FIFA. Yeah. Or have a falafel sandwich. Oh, sorry, shawarma. Whatever.
Shawarma, yes.
If you're non-vegetarian. Okay. Let's go. Let's get into it.
Let's go. Yes, let's go.
1, 2,
Ready?
3, play. Somewhere in the Gulf.
Raju, this is the life, Habibi.
Yeah, it's nice and all, but come, we'll go back to India, no?
Yahi, why?
I've seen everything. What else is there to do?
Habibi, Raju, I'm glad you asked.
Habibi, Raju.
Yalla, yalla.
I like it.
I miss saying yalla.
Yalla.
Yahi, Raju, they ain't ready for this one.
I'm also not ready.
Let's show them how it's done.
You sure?
Hey. So let's go. Smoke shisha, play FIFA. Every day, smoke shisha, play FIFA. It's okay, smoke shisha, play FIFA. With my friends, smoke shisha, play FIFA. Until the end, my name is Mahmoud and I like to play the FIFA. Whatever team you pick, bro, you know I'll always beat ya. If you win against me, guarantee you are a cheater. PS4, Xbox One, even on computer when we out in the town.
Smoke shisha, play FIFA.
My face never have frown.
Smoke shisha, play FIFA.
Even in the car.
Smoke shisha, play FIFA.
While chilling at the bar.
Smoke shisha, play FIFA.
We do it with hummus.
Smoke shisha, play FIFA.
The ladies for a book.
Smoke shisha, play FIFA.
Don't worry, it's halal.
Smoke shisha, play FIFA.
Cause it's not Ramadan.
I myself, Raju, first time in the Gulf. All the ladies very nice and the food I really love. I don't smoke the shisha cause it's really bad for health. And if my father sees me, he'll beat me with a belt.
Yahi Raju, do it Arabic style, Habibi.
My name is Khalil and I'm like a happy meal. In FIFA I'm defender. Your ball I will steal. Don't mess with me, Habibi. When will you ever learn? Cause in the Middle East I am Mr. Steal Your Girl.
We drive up to the cafe in Mercedes-Benz.
Get out of the car, all 14 of my friends. Shabab in the black, ask what flavor are we smoking? I said la la Habibi, please tell me you are joking. Tufaten. The flavor's not okay. What the hell is very grape? Lemon milk.
What the hell is very grape?
Watch me shake, shake until my booty break. Shake, yalla, shake, yalla.
Barcelona all the way.
Smoke shisha, play FIFA.
Cause you know that's how we play.
Smoke shisha, play FIFA.
Yahi, Messi is the best.
Smoke shisha, play FIFA.
While we eat chicken breast.
Smoke shisha, play FIFA. We do it with hummus.
Hey,
Ask the ladies for a busa.
hey,
Do not worry, it's halal.
hey.
Cause it's after Ramadan. We go to the beach, let's go and get away. Portable shisha, you know that's how we play. Got a cheetah in the back, kebabs in my backpack. So if cheetah get hungry, we give him little snack. Red Bull in the tank, cause we fancy like that. All white, everything is how we rock the dish dash. Player 1, player 2, all ready for some FIFA. When the ladies walk by, we call the game and say Kifak. Kifak ladies, how are you doing?
Myself,
All
Raju.
good, every good.
All good. I'm his friend only.
Smoke shisha, play FIFA. Every day, smoke shisha, play FIFA. It's okay, smoke shisha, play FIFA. With my friends, smoke shisha, play FIFA. Until the end, shisha, FIFA, shisha, FIFA, ay, shisha, FIFA, shisha, FIFA, ay, shisha, FIFA, shisha, FIFA, ay, shisha, FIFA. And break it down now. Hala, hala, hala. You're crazy for this one, MD.
Who is MD?
Yalla Raju.
Yeah, it's me.
Show 'em how it's done, Habibi.
Come on.
I like it. you aren't smoking double apple, are you even smoking shisha?
I know, right? I'm like, it's double apple all the way. And yes, you'll have some hummus on the side or falafel, or there'll always be kebabs.
Did you notice how they got
gosh.
some things like, he said happy meal. He said, I have a happy meal.
Yes. That's when I started chuckling, because when Raju does the thing, he also does it like proper Arab, and he gets the buzz. So I needed this laugh today.
That was really good. If that's their first
video,
then oh my god. This was clearly shot in Jordan.
It's shot in Jordan, yeah.
But oh my god, how all those countries, all the countries are similar, na?
Yes.
And this one, when they said Barcelona, it reminded me of this day when the finals were happening, and it was Real Madrid versus Barcelona, and I happened to wear my Barcelona jersey to the office, and the looks I got, because all the Arabs in my office were Real Madrid fans, including the big boss. So he actually walks up to my desk, because I'm like all like representing Barcelona. He's like, so, I was like, oh shit, I think I'm going to get fired today. But you can really feel, the...
Oh, but they really love their football, right?
Oh my God.
In the Arab world, it is the equivalent of Indians loving cricket. They really love their football. And in the evenings, you know, during the EPL season, there is no sports bar, even a regular tea, you know, or a coffee place, they'll put up screens and you'll be seeing games there.
It's just football everywhere.
Yeah, people even stay up till 2 o'clock to catch the EPL matches on a Sunday. So, you know, FIFA is big. The football is big there.
And I mean, it is in Dubai for sure, also because I saw
Dubai it was,
so many Europeans and British pubs also. And people and all of that. So the atmosphere is very pro football, and I like it. I like it. So this song, anyway, coming back to it, hilarious. I want to now see more of their songs also.
Yes, there are other sketches
comedy
as well.
Yeah. These guys seem really funny and very intelligent also.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Bangalore represented. Okay, I will be quiet now.
Raju with Adipoli, and he's like, my dad will beat me with a belt. I can't tell you the number of Mull friends who told me about getting belted at home, you know.
Oh,
so I was like, okay, fine, got it. Anyways, this is hilarious. Like you said, we'd love to go and catch up on more of their songs as well as their sketches. Thank you for sending such lovely recommendations our way. We'd love to hear from you. So if there's anything else you'd want for us to react, please do let us know. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill by now. Reach out to us. We are friendly people. We don't bite anybody's head off. So let us know, get in touch. And we will be back with another reaction video very soon. This is the two of us saying bye. Take care.
Bye. Yalla bye.
Yalla bye.